Okay, today we are going to do a kind of fun little bumblebee for Be Mine and Be Kind. This is what our final one is going to look like. I'm going to draw on a Sharpie, but you guys are going to draw in a pencil first. So in the middle of the paper, I kind of want to draw an oval shape. And then down here at the bottom, you can make your little stinger for your bee. So it's really like a circle with a little triangle on the bottom. To make your wings, if I turned my paper sideways, my wings would look like a giant letter M. So I'm going to draw a giant letter M that goes all the way to the edges on both sides of my paper. Up here on top, I'm giving my bumblebee some really big eyeballs. And then pupils. We are not making cutie eyes. I want that white part to show, but you can give them little highlights inside his pupil. But we do need to have a little bit, we need to have a little bit of white showing. Yes, if you want to give your bee some eyelashes, that is fine. It's a bumblebee, so I've got to give my bumblebee some stripes. And in one of those stripes, I'm going to give it a heart. And to make a heart, because sometimes a heart is hard to draw, to make a heart, I'm going to do the letter V and the letter M on top. Easy way to make a heart. I'm also going to make a smiley face on mine. Once I have my bee done, I want to make a border around it, kind of like it's in a frame. So I am drawing a rectangle around my paper. Then I'm going to draw stripes all the way around it. I really appreciate everybody who's being such a good listener right now. Thank you so much. Even where the wings are, I'm going to draw a few little lines. When I'm all done, my bee is obviously flying in the sky, so I'm going to draw a few clouds in a background, and I'm going to do some dots so that looks like my bumblebee has been flying. So that is our cute little bee that we are making today. Okay, so once you've drawn your bee and once you've outlined everything in a Sharpie, you're going to color. I'm going to give you a permanent marker to color your bee yellow. Nope, because remember, bees are yellow and black, but we want to use a permanent marker, and I'm actually going to color her face yellow too. Then you can use a black marker to color the other stripes. Now, watch what I do. I'm going to outline my wing in black. Does everybody see how I did that? I just outlined it in black, and I'm getting some water, and look what happens. Now I have gray wings for my bumblebee. I can color my heart in pink. Now, I'm going to, same thing I did with my wings. I'm going to outline around all this area for my sky. And I'm going to do the exact same thing I did with my wings, I'm going to get water on here, and look what happens. Then you don't have to paint everything or color in everything. I can paint it. The water makes it all kind of go together and paint. So those are the two things you're painting, your wings and your background. You can use whatever colors you want when you're painting your background. These things. So maybe for this, I want to do a pattern of green. These I can just color. Whatever I want to do. If you get a marker that doesn't work, we want to definitely throw it away. Take the lid off and throw it away.
Where do they put the lid?
The lids go in my recycle tubs because we're trying to save all of our markers. Okay.